Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about some instruction, some integer instruction in INVT PLC. So how we can use this instruction in the INVT PLC. So let's get started. First of all we will open our AutoStation software and here we will take one input SM0 for an example, and next we will take the some move commands. MOV when you type, after you will be get the move command. Move, for an example, some command, what's the meaning? Some means any some values you like to be calculate plus. This command basically look like a calculator, any live calculation. If you like to make some values, calculate too many values, so you can calculate by the help of this command sum. So we need to help the first we need the help from the move command. For an example, I like to move some value, some 200 value, I like to move into the D0 for an example. This we will take the one data, and second one more value we will be take and move, for example 300 or any in the D1 data register we will be take and click enter. And one more we will be take, for an example move 200. First we use move 100 into the D2 data register, and one more we will be take, no problem. How many data you like to be calculate, you can choose. Move 400 into D3 and click enter. For an example, this four data registers, four datas, this is 400, 100, 300 and 200 you like to be calculate. So how you can calculate? So you have to be use here that sum command. First I will take this LDX0, my execution, and next we will choose the sum data register. Sum, SUM when you type, after you will get this command sum. And next how many datas you like to be calculate. For an example, this is 4 datas, so you like to be calculate D0 from the D0. How much any? So you like to calculate from the D0. From the D0 how much datas? This one you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 datas we like to be calculate, and answer we need to in the D20 for an example. Any data register you can choose, that's nothing issue. And this program we will be downloaded into the PLC, and let's check this program, this command is how works. Now this 200, 300 and 100 and 400, this is how much total? 2, 3, 5, 6 and 4, how much? 1000. So when we give the signal at X0, execute the X0, after answer will be we get in the D20. You can see the 1000 answer is ready. And now for an example, these values are changed. An example, this value is, for example, 600, okay, and enter this one, and this is like to be 250 for an example. So you can 250, this is 1250 comes 150. This values you like to be changed. This one, this is 300, we will put 360, and again we will be download this into the PLC, and now we will be test this value, our answer is how much. And again when you press the X0, and you can answer see 1310 answer he gives. And for an example, if you like to be more values like to be enter, this is 4 values, you like to be more values like to be enter, so you can, how you can do, we will make the insert row, you can make it insert row here. How can I insert the row? Leave it, that's we will be make it look like same. Control C, and we will be make it here Control V, and that's I will be delete for example, and here we will make the line, and here one more line we will be take MOV move 500, yeah, 530, and data register will be take D4 and click enter. And now what will be changed, you can see here we take the 530 and D4, and here we will be type the 5, because of now we are choosing the 5 data registers calculate. So again we will be transfer this program into the PLC, and now we will give the execution at the x0, and you can see this answer is 1840. Now it's calculate the 5 datas and calculate immediately and gives you the answer into the D20, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this sum instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.